Igbo, you too dey slippery. I don't like you cause your way is full of mystery. Everything I can't is what you do perfectly. You've conquered my land, you don't buy every territory. Look, I was taught never to trust you. My forefathers say you betray am, na come I go arrest you. All my sisters where you dey knack, I wonder why they love you. Comparing your strength to mine, then say I dey underrate you. If I leave my place to yours, come they conquer. How we be for your domot na stranger they control am. Almost the club for my state, now you be the owner. Me wey sell and give you, come turn to your worker. No, you know fit be. I go protest, make you leave. Like play, you don't dey take my legacies. Which kind matter be this? Go to your place and leave. If you know what's good for you, just pack your things and leave. Nah, ni kwemne mata. Kedu dia okunyana kodise. Otakwana me follow. You know what I see is how unreliable you are. You gave a price, I paid even more. You come the blab. I managed what you couldn't. You became envious of that. I risked it all to pay you. You gave back ungrateful hearts. Trust me or not, it's not even good for business. My forefathers him don't trust you, maka distress. Your sisters love me for being real, I don't impress. You really want reason that far? Tighten your seatbelt. The time you put on envy, why not put it to work? The money you use to buy weed, why not use them the chop? Read books and make moves. You try to maintain focus, think good and sell through, sell last man and buy more. I love you like a brother, but it depends on you. We did millions of bees, shows how much I trust you. We met for the first time, second was after I paid you, and you still pay attention to the story of those old loops. I love you too, my bro, but my advice has distressed me. They said you're cunning and in my land to oppress me. Same to me, and I'm sorry for everything I've said. We are all humans, leave tribe, everyone is the same. Come here.
Not this generation. Me, I'm not fighting any IGBO man. I love all IGBO men. I love all IGBO women. IGBO women, you belong to us.